How to bold date makeup for nighttime. Step 1. Dark eyeshadow. Dark eyeshadow intensifies your look and adds more depth to your eyelid and your lower lash line. Step 2. Eyeliner. Eyeliner adds definition to your eye area. Apply eyeliner to your lash line starting at the inner corner of your eye and working your way to the middle of your eyelid. Place the eyeliner on the outer corner of your eye and complete the line, finishing once again at the middle of your eyelid. Step 3. Let's get ready to kiss. For date night makeup, go for a more striking lipstick color. First define the lip contour with a lip liner, then apply lipstick to a lip brush and evenly fill in your contoured lips, minding the line. Repeat the application if necessary. To set your lipstick, use Magic Fix.